this is a question, and it's asking us the amount of bad debt expense to be recorded in the adjusting entry is $4,750. Again, we're going to look at which method they're using, direct write-off method or one of the analysis methods, and then if they're or allowance methods, then which one are they using. At the end of the period before adjustment, the allowance for doubtful accounts has a credit balance of $250. The net credit sales for the period, right there, are giving me an indication they're probably going to be using the percentage of sales method because they're not talking about the analysis. The net credit sales for the period total $500,000. If the company estimates uncollectible accounts receivable at 1% of net sales, all right, what's going on here? 1% of net sales, then I can make my adjusting entry, and that's going to be $500,000 is my net sales, credit net sales, and I'm going to multiply this times 1%, and that's going to be $5,000, and so the entry or the answer to this would be false. Because for the percentage of sales method, we ignore what the balance in the allowance for doubtful account was, which reaffirms the question that we had here. The balance and allowance of doubtful accounts will directly impact the end of the period adjustment for the bad debt expense when using the following method, and that is the allowance method. So this is using the allowance method. Come on. I can't get it to right, but yeah, there it is. It's the allowance method is the correct answer there, and that brings us back to this question, which says that we do not use the beginning balance of the bad debt, the allowance account in that consideration, because we're only using this for a percentage of sales.